because we were not carnivores, we did not eat meat. Meat literally concentrates. All animal products concentrate the poisons in the environment. So they actually have the wrong structure for our own needs. So if you look at for example, casein, which is the protein found in milk. Now, that it's very, very clear that actually is not made for human consumption. It's made for the consumption of the baby of that species, like a cow, a calf, or a lamb, depending on, of course, who the mother is. So when human beings, if you look at the milk in human being, the protein percentage of protein in human milk is about 1.25%, whereas it's about 3.5% in cow's milk. So there's a big comparison. We don't need as much protein. Besides, all proteins are made by plants. Animals do not make proteins. So all the proteins that we eat, even from animals, have been made by plants and passed on to us through the animals. So many of those have inflammatory molecules in them. So they actually will, for example, block the action, especially the fat part of the animal product. They will actually block the action of insulin on cells, so that the receptors will be actually blocked off, and the insulin will not function as well in the presence of animal products. And this is absolutely proven. So in fact, we go back to diabetes. Diabetes is not caused by carbohydrates, like most people seem to think. Many doctors think that, but this is erroneous. Diabetes is literally caused by animal fat, specifically, and animal protein. So that's where the inflammation comes from. And the more weight you put on, the more inflammatory your body gets. Even with varicose veins, for example, there is an inflammatory component there, but it's added to by the presence of a lot of fat around. Because fat, the triglycerides, will come out from those very fat cells that are really replete, they're so big, and a lot of that fat will leach out into the circulation, and it will actually cause a lot of inflammation around in many, many parts.